You know what I like me some? I like me some. Me too, me too. Here you go, Beavis. It's good thing I'm not butthead. Butthead! Okay, one more time. Are we gonna sing our single hit Crack Bang? Crack Bang! Here we are. Crack! It's never been whacked! People say it's whack, but it's always coming back! Cray, yay, 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 yay! Oh, man, that cray, yay, yay, yay. Where's the crack down, man? Where's the crack down? Got the crack down, okay? You got the crack down. Oh, we lost the crack. Uh-oh. Oh, shit, that shit lit. Uh-oh. We got the...
There's people that live on the other side of that wall.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, we're back. But this time we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 cracks. I'm still trying to find that one crack. There she goes. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Alright, man. Let's do the crack chicken. Are you ready? Okay, ready. Alright, I'm about to show you a new one. A new invented. I'm about to show you a crack dog. Let me hear you. This be the crack dog. You see, you know how the dog piss on the fire hydrant? He hit his head on the fire hydrant and piss on the sill. Here we go. Okay, you can do it. Hey, Greg, you did it. No. All right, Greg, you. Cray, yeah. Here's what makes your hair on your coochie grow back. It sure do. I already got some bush already. Shit, my bush like dreadlocks, motherfucker. Barbershop hired me to braid my hair. Our branders and juices were a ruckus. Oh.